welcome back. For those of you who've been here and for those of you, welcome to my channel. Well, we are going to be a one big happy family. I see y'all watching out there and I see y'all liking some of what I have for this video is it's a IPSY package. Ooh, ooh. IPSY package. Ooh, ooh. IPSY package. Yeah. Alright, for those of you who don't know, the IPSY is a monthly subscription, month to month, or you can get it however you want the deal. And every month they send you 5 items. Sometimes it may be full, but mostly sample sizes to try out new products from different brands. But other than that, I'm in loving it. I'll leave all the subscription and everything down below, the link, or where you can go subscribe for your own IPSY package. All right. Ooh, this is cute. This is cute. This is cute. So that was it. Everything must be in here. Gotta be, because there's nothing in here. So, but this is really cute. I like how they got the detail with the little eyelashes and the little golden trim, like a light shimmer. But it's really, really cute and really, really transportable. So this can go with just about anything I have, or it can match my purse. First thing we have is a card. This subscription is a September subscription, and so on this card it says, the question isn't who is going to let me, it's who is going to stop me. Who's going to stop me? Not me. I'm not going to stop. Are you going to stop me? No, because I'm not going to stop making these videos. And if you'd like to see more of these IPSY videos, please let me know. And let me know your thoughts. If you want to see more videos like this, just let a girl know, man, and maybe I can do something. I mean, I am getting this every month. I mean, if you like, I can, I can show you what you're going to be getting before you get yours, or if you have to get it. I mean, I'm just saying. We have a primer. All right, I love primers. Let's see the name of it. Evlonia, if I'm saying it wrong, please forgive me. Evo Beauty Group. Green tea primer, prep and protect, and it's vegan. It's cruelty free. That's great. Great. That's great. So we got that. We got that prep and protect. You know what I'm saying? Prep and protect. Prep and protect. So so I can lay it down. Alright, we have a sample size here of a Makeup Forever Ultra HD Perfector Blurring Skin Tint with Sunscreen. Professional Paris. Let's see. 10. I don't know what 10 color is, but we're going to find out. I believe like a BB green. But just by looking at it, it's too light for me. Like a little too light for me for it to me easily put this all over my face. Now, I might be able to pass it on as, use it like a highlighter or something to have like a natural look. I'll try it. I'll still try it. I'll just use it as a concealer. That's all. The next item we have Steve Lawrence. And it's a blush. And it comes in this cute little no. So cute. I really love it. This is cute. It really is. This is cute. Let's see. What kind of blush did they give me? This one is called I'm Blushing. Let's see what I'm Blushing is. Don't worry. There's no swiping or nothing like that. Okay. It comes in looking like this. Ooh. Now I like that. It has like a little mirror. Ooh, I feel like I'm blinding you. But this is what it looks like. Oh my goodness, that looks so freaking gorgeous. Yes. This is something I can wear give me like a little glow. I can't really say glow, but it it'll be a really, really pretty color. A really, really, really pretty. Like, help me pop my cheeks out. I'll go some touching. Go some touching. But other than that, this looks really good. Okay, you know what, you guys? I said I wasn't gonna swatch this, but I got to. It looks really nice. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. That is so gorgeous. Ooh. So that means it shows real good on skin tones like me. And again, this is called I'm Blushing by Steve Laurent. Alright, we have some lip product in here. That's the limited edition Berry Lip Fix with wintered red alone. So it's called Skine Iceland. Solution for stressed skin. This for the winter time, but this is what it looked like. Yeah, so I guess you wear this for the winter time. I haven't tried this yet, is because I've been waiting to do this video. So there's some products I do want to try, and I'll also let you know about it. So now this one, oh, we have another lip product, and it is from, I think I'm saying it right, Trace Steakwood. Trace Steakwood, please, if I'm not saying the name right, forgive me. I need to talk better. It's a cute little packaging. See, it is so cute. Let's see, what's the name? Let's see, it is a mini lip glands. That's what this is, and the color is English Rose. I always get the English Rose. I guess people must think I'm an English Rose girl, because I always get like these rosy colors. But I love the way the packaging is, and it's so cute, and it looks like a lip, like a pencil, like literally. And this is just a tap. When I first just saw this, I thought it was missing a top. When this is the top. See, just see that? Now for this, ooh, this looks so pigmented. Yes, you guys, I am going to swatch it. What that color looks like. See that? Gorgeous, ain't it? That's great. But that's what that is. It's a mini lip glaze. And that's it. Well, other than that, you get this nice little makeup bag. This was the last item, you guys. So that was 5 items, including the makeup bag altogether. And the subscription that I'm paying for is only $10 a month. It's very affordable to try out different brands that's out there, reaching out. And also, it's also, especially for those who can't really afford to go buy the makeup like that, that's coming out every time. And a lot of times it'd be like the high end and other things that I know for, first of all, I cannot afford. I cannot afford it. But I do try to subscribe to things to try it out to see how I will love it. But other than that, I really do love the IPSY'S. I've been with IPSY subscription for about, I think about 5 months, so about 5 months, 5 or 6 months. And I know y'all probably looking like, 5 months, man, what you been doing? Why you ain't been showing us this? Cause girl, everything in my life is just crazy. It's crazy. But the most important thing is right now, I'm here, I'm doing it, and this time I didn't even open it. I've been waiting to do this just for you because I've been very eager. Very eager. But right now, thank you for watching this, and I hope you like, subscribe, leave your comments. I would love to hear from you, your thoughts. Please like and subscribe this channel. Subscribe, and don't forget that See ya!